session of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn about things in the office, basic writing mechanics, and descriptive paragraph. You can find this week's topic in Module 2, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify vocabulary related to the things around the office, then write a simple descriptive paragraph like describe a place in English, and implement the basic writing mechanics. Please study the material and enrichment links below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 2. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.